Welcome to the desk of Coach Hess. I am absolutely pleased and honored to have the up-and-coming owner and leader in our community, LaToya Rainey. Welcome, LaToya.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you so much for having me. It's a joy to be here today.
That's great. LaToya runs Rainey Day Packing, and she's been at that for a while. But let her tell us a little bit about the company. Tell us a little, please, LaToya.
Well, we are a company. We specialize in packing, unpacking, and organization. We work with residential as well as commercial. We're a fairly new business. We've been in business for a year now, and we're a small business, but we're growing very quickly.
Oh, that's great that you've been kind of growing like that. I know how it's gone, and what's your target? What are we looking for from I'm trying to think if I would need you, what kind of person do I need to be that says I need LaToya and her super team to come fix me up?
Awesome. Yes. So our target is really anybody in transition. So that's whether, you've had a baby or you're going through a divorce or you have family members coming in and out, or, if you've been in your home for a while and you just have a space that you want to reclaim, that's who we target. So we really don't have a specific gender or demographic. It's just anybody who's going through transition and who may need our services.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, we're just at the back end, we hope, of the COVID-19. I know that you, being your coach and involved with you, I know you had fantastic months just before the COVID, and then it hit and slowed you down. How's that gone for you? What's gone on? Where are you? Business owners want to know how successful business owners like yourself get through these things. Can you share a little with us?
Yes. So right before COVID, we were doing great. And then, as you said, once COVID hit, it really caused a major slowdown. But we did not give up and we did not stop. We knew we still had people out there who needed us, who were counting on us. So we pulled together as a team. We, created new guidelines that aligned with the CDC and other recommendations. And to be honest with you, we just pushed through and we just kept working.
That's outstanding. It was tough enough that I think, sad to say, I think there's been some people that have kind of given up on their business. And, it's nice to hear you take the bull by the horns and make it happen. And that's certainly the way it's going.
Yes, and our customers have been great. They have been completely understanding. Like I said before, we don't do anything to put ourselves at risk or to put our customers at risk, but they still value our service and we value them. So we just had to find a way to make it work. And that's what we continue to do every day.
Well, we see the positive reviews that come out of all the work you do, and that's just great. Kind of last question for a short little interview. What really inspires you today, LaToya?
Well, what inspires me today is I have two daughters. I have two teenage daughters, ages 12 and 14, and I would like to leave them a legacy, and I would like to leave something behind that could possibly be theirs one day, or just something to make my mark on the world and just let the world know that I was here and that I tried my best to shine light in the darkness.
Oh, that's very inspirational, and it's not easy being a single mom, getting out there and getting all this work done and being the role model that you are. I've met your daughters and they're just fantastic young ladies, and they're taking after mom. So be proud of that.
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, well, thank you for the interview, and absolutely best of luck going forward. And that brings us to the conclusion from the desk of Coach Hess. Look up Rainy Day Packing. You can find them all over the social media. They're everywhere. Don't miss your chance to get a hold of LaToya and her fantastic team to do some work for you.
Thank you.
All right.
At all times when leaving home.